3 years ago, I would have laughed at someone telling me a mushroom extract could change how I show up in a workday. Then I hit 38. My sleep collapsed, my focus collapsed, my drive collapsed, and I started taking adaptogens seriously. Here's what I've learned running KetoFitoLibido and testing every adaptogen the market will ship me. Most of the category is theater. 80% of products are underdosed, overpromised, and stacked with fillers nobody can pronounce. The 20% that work on a third-a-day clock. Anyone selling you "feel it tomorrow" is selling caffeine in a fancier bottle. 5 names actually move the needle for men 35 plus. Cordyceps. It provides sustained energy without the crash. Rhodiola. Cognitive load plus stress recovery. Ashwagandha. Sleep and testosterone supportive. It is controversial, but the data is real. 2 more you should know about for the full system. Maca Root. Drive and hormonal rhythm. Most products are powdered fluff. Gelatinized black maca is the only form worth your money. Panax Ginseng. Korean red. Energy, focus, and erectile function. Backed by trials, not vibes. Skip American ginseng. It doesn't move the needle for men over 35. I'm building KFL on a simple bet. Men in their late 30s and 40s don't need another fad. They need a system that respects how their biology actually works. If you want the full 5 adaptogen protocol, doses, timing, and forms that actually work, I just put it in a free 12-page guide. Click the link in our bio to get started today.